With you and me, that's alright. There's something different in the air, no matter where we go from here. Now our time has come. Let's just run.